Headache English. Ace the board.
Today, we are going to learn the following. Number 1. List of confusing words with meanings. Number 2. Sentence samples. Number 3. Quiz. And number 4. Advanced level practice.
Words to discuss. Access versus excess. Collaborate versus corroborate. Detract versus distract. Personal versus personnel. Wonder versus wonder.
Access versus success. Access, noun, a means of approach, entrance, or entry.
Excess, noun, a surplus or a quantity that exceeded.
Examples. Access. The teacher sent her students the access link for their Zoom class.
Excess, we will donate excess clothes to a nearby thrift store.
Let us use the words together. The organizer gave excess VIP tickets for those who want to have access to the front seat.
Collaborate versus corroborate. Collaborate, verb. To cooperate or join with someone to produce something.
Corroborate, verb. To confirm or verify a theory or statement.
Examples. Collaborate. The two companies agreed to collaborate on a project.
Corroborate, before we believe you, we need to corroborate your story.
Let us use the words together. We collaborated last year for a project but he messed up. Now, it is hard to corroborate his statements.
Detract versus distract. Detract, verb. To lessen, reduce or diminish the value or worth of something.
Distract, verb. Disturb or prevent someone from doing something.
Examples. Detract. These bad comments won't detract her fame.
Distract. Try not to distract Jane while she's painting.
Let us use the words together. When you distract me, my focus will detract.
Personal versus personnel. Personal, adjective belonging to a particular individual or person.
Personnel, noun. Staff or people employed to an organization.
Examples. Personal. Do not touch her personal things.
Personnel. The company gave bonus to their personnel.
Let us use the words together. The company provided lockers for the personnel to put their personal belongings.
Wander versus wonder. Wander, verb. To stroll or walk in a leisurely way.
Wonder, noun. A feeling of surprise with admiration.
Examples. Wander. My dog wanders at our farm every afternoon.
Wonder. I wonder where I put my phone.
Let us use the words together. Orion wanders in the woods endlessly. I wonder if she remembers that we're together.
You're on the mid part of the video. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe and share this video.
Let us check your knowledge. Direction. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty.
Number 1. Blank use of pesticide is not good for the environment. Number 2. Our organization is looking for people with blank clothes to be donated for the typhoon victims. Number 3. The thief gained blank through an open window.
Letter A. Access. Letter B. Excess.
The correct answers are Number 2. Letter B. Our organization is looking for people with excess clothes to be donated for the typhoon victims. Number 3. Letter A. The thief gained access through an open window.
Number 4. Glenn and Nancy agreed to blank on a book for children. Number 5. Given her history, no one wants to blank her claim. Number 6. A group of people stopped walking to see the blank.
Letter A. Collaborate. Letter B. Corroborate.
Number 4. Letter A. Glenn and Nancy agreed to collaborate on a book for children. Number 5. Letter B. Given her history, no one wants to corroborate her claim.
Number 7. They closed the stage curtains to blank the audience. Number 8. I hope these issues won't blank you from your position. Number 9. Kindly turn off the speaker, loud music might blank the workers.
Letter A. Detract. Letter B. Distract.
The correct answers are: number 8, letter A. I hope these issues won't detract you from your position. Number 9, letter B. Kindly turn off the speaker, loud music might distract the workers.
Number 10. Vince sent his report papers to the blank department. Number 11. Raya blank gave me this invitation. Number 12. Sage started to collect her blank belongings.
Letter A. Personal. Letter B. Personnel.
The correct answers are: number 10, letter B. Vince sent his report papers to the personnel department. Number 12, letter A. Sage started to collect her personal belongings.
Number 13. The children will blank to a fairyland theme place tomorrow. Number 14. I blank if we'll still be like this in succeeding years. Number 15. Draco blank his wand intensely.
Letter A. Wander. Letter B. Wonder.
The correct answers are: number 13, letter A. The children will wander to a fairyland themed place tomorrow. Number 14, letter B. I wonder if we'll still be like this in succeeding years.
Let us take a look on how the reviewers are going to use the words we discussed.
I'm glad that even if we have graduated from this school, we still have access to the library.
The library personnel even put excess chairs for reviewers.
We can also bring our personal books if we want. We just need to inform them.
What I like here is the librarian wanders so no students will dare to make noises.
I wonder if it won't distract the students.
It won't, because she only wants to detract the distractions if ever someone makes noise.
I hope we can still collaborate with this school when we are already licensed.
We can corroborate that once we're already registered engineers.
Congratulations! You've reached the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you for watching.